Hi, this is John from Pocket Racing Imports. This is a demonstration of how to pull together a PF components clutch. Okay, so we begin with our parts list. We have our springs, tie rods, we have our washer for the top of the spring for our nut to mount on. Okay, tools we need: a 7mm spanner and also circlip pliers. Okay, so we begin. We have the clutch back plate, and we have the springs which will assemble in this manner, and we shall just place the screw on top such as that. We'll have two together as such. We then proceed to place both springs into the clutch back plate as such. Okay, you can see both springs are in there now like that. Next step is the tricky part. Now we must do this with both shoes together, so we need to wedge on the shoes, and we need to do this by fiddling about a bit with the clutch shoes themselves and making a bit of a force fit. As such, so we can get the clutch shoes into their position. Okay, so you can see what's happened there. Okay, and then we need to proceed with the other shoe. Okay, so you said it's a bit of fiddling and aligning, but once we can get things snapped into place, we can proceed. Okay, so now we can see what we have here. Okay, so let's just, then we need to just straighten up the rings like such. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Okay, let's just get this lined up properly here. So you can see with this top shoe how that will almost line up properly. So okay, so we don't want that to spring out too much, but we do want to straighten this up here. So let's just get in there, straighten it. So now we should have both springs aligned. Press it together, and we can now put our pins in. The other pin. Okay, so at this point we have our pins in place, and we can then simply complete the job by pushing home our pins, and then with the nut we can tension the springs. Okay, so that is today's video.